Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Coinbase. I've talked about them once here on the channel before. It looks like clear back in April 13th. So I'll go ahead and link that in the description as well. But they've had a lot of talk going on here. It seems like this week I've been hearing about them a couple times. Here's a look over the last year. They just got listed on April 14th. Looks like it ran up to 342. Currently it's at 256.50. Looks like it came back down to the 230s. Been trading kind of sideways, kind of up and down, 230, 240 range. And then on up to 269. Here's a look at the last 3 months. So it looks like it's down 14%. In the last month, it's up 3.34 or 3.43%. In the last week, it's up 0.43%. And here's what it looks like today. It looks like it ran up 273 and came down, and looks like it kept coming down and hit the 250s. And if you don't know what this one is, it operates as a secure hosted Bitcoin wallet to purchase and use Bitcoin. It provides merchant tools that enable companies to accept payments in Bitcoin and by incorporating a single button. It was founded in 2012, 5.2 million shares being traded, and a $53.94 billion market cap. It's almost $54 billion on this one. Here's a look at the ratings, 74% buy, so not too bad on the ratings. And here's a look at their earnings on the last earnings. So quite a difference here. Estimated on $2.24 and almost tripled that to $6.42 a share. And I don't currently have any shares in this one. You can see this is on Robinhood. If you don't have $256 laying around, you can buy partial shares on this one. You can buy that through Robinhood. I've done partial shares. I think even Fidelity you can buy partial shares now. So I think Webull you can do partial shares as well. So back to Coinbase. Global investors last days to participate actively in the class action lawsuit. The Portnoy law firm. This is just dated yesterday. So it looks like there's a lawsuit. Advises investors that a class action lawsuit has been filed on behalf of Coinbase. Again, ticker COIN. Investors that acquired shares between April 11th, 2021 and July 22, 2021. Investors have until September 20th of this year to seek an active role in this litigation. And I'm not going to read all of this information to you. If you wanted to read it more thoroughly, you can go right to the source on Yahoo Finance, and again, this just came out yesterday. And again, there's the attorney's name, the phone number, email. Click here and it'll take you to the link. So it is alleged in the complaint that the registration statement and prospectus that was used to effectuate a Coinbase offering were misleading and false, submitted to state that at the time of the offering, Coinbase required a sizable cash injection. Coinbase was susceptible to the service level disruptions, which was increasingly likely to incur. As Coinbase scaled its services to a larger user base, the positive statements about the Coinbase business operations and prospects lacked a reasonable basis or were material misleading. So it looks like there's a lawsuit going on, so feel free to pause and go over the rest of the information there. And again, if you want more thorough information, go to Yahoo Finance and you can find it there. And again, the law offices of Frank R. Cruz announced the filing of a securities class action on behalf of Coinbase. So this other one was dated yesterday, Wednesday the 11th at 7:15 p.m. and this one's dated here today at 10:45 a.m. So again, the law offices announced a class action lawsuit that has been filed on behalf of persons, entities, and purchase of otherwise acquired Coinbase. So if you have any more information on this, go ahead and list it in the comments. So a common stock pursuant and or traceable registration statement for the resale of up to 114.8 million shares whereby Coinbase began trading as a public company on or around April 14, 2021. So investors have until 9/20 of 2021 to file a lead plaintiff motion. And again, I'm going to scroll through this information for those of you that would like to read it more thoroughly. And again, you can find this on Yahoo Finance again. So Coinbase stock fell $9.24 or 3.7% to close $239 per share on May 18, 2021. On this news, Coinbase stock fell $14.20 or 6% to close $224.80 per share on May 19, 2021, thereby injuring investors further. Over here to Reddit. And 2 days ago, charging 1,000 Apex coins. Not really any information in there in regards to Coinbase. Over here on StockTwits, currently at 256.50. Low of 208, a high of 429.54, so got quite a bit of volatility in there. All they listed on the Ethereum tokens, because of the integration, is already there. Would love to see some projects outside of ETH tokens. Nice reversal tomorrow. I just want to break even. That's what we all say on stocks. But like I said, if you have this one, go ahead and list it in the comments. And I do not currently have any of Coinbase. I've thought about it, but I'm not going to throw that much money out there for it right now. So currently at 256.50. Here on TipRank, showing a moderate buy, 15 ratings, 11 showing a buy with a 43.96% upside to $369.25, high of 500, low of 275. So quite a range in there. So, but like I said, if you have this one, go ahead and list it in the comments along with your cost basis, any other information you have on Coinbase. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.